it became 1 upon 2. So this second bit matching with the A. So A and second bit is matching. So they both are equivalent fraction. 1 upon 2, 1 upon 2. Question number B, if you see out of 6 parts, 4 are color. Out of 6, 4 are color. If you reduce this, 2 2s are 2 3s are, the fraction is coming 2 upon 3. B bit question. And if you see the fourth bit, in that only, fourth bit downside, that is given 8 upon 12. If you reduce 8 upon 12, it comes 4 2s are 4 3s are. Again the fraction is coming 2 upon 3, and here also the fraction is 2 upon 3. It means B matches with the fourth bit. B matches with the fourth bit. It is a match the pace because they both are equivalent fraction. Next, if you see the C bit, 3 upon 9, out of 9, 3 are color. If you reduce 3 upon 9, the answer, the fraction you will get 1 upon 3. The C bit is matching with the first bit. First bit, out of 18, 16 are color. Out of 18, 16 are color. Again you reduce 6 upon 18. 6 1 just 6 3s are, the fraction is coming 1 upon 6 1 just 6 3s are, the fraction is coming 1 upon 3. So C bit is matching with the first bit. If you see the D1, the D1 is out of 8, 2 parts are color. So 2 upon 8. If you reduce 2 upon 8, the fraction is coming 1 upon 4. And that D question is matching with the fifth question. Fifth bit. What is the fifth bit? Out of 4, out of 16, 4 are color. Out of 16, 4 are color. So 4 upon 16. If you reduce 4 upon 16 fraction, it comes 1 upon 4. So the D is 1 upon 4 and the fifth one is 1 upon 4. The last one, E, all 4 parts are given. Out of 4, 3 are color. So 3 upon 4, the direct fraction 3 upon 4 is not going to be reduced. So 3 upon 4 as it is. And if you see the third bit out of 16, 12 are color. So 12 upon 16. If you reduce 12 upon 16, so 4 3s are 4 4s are. So the fraction, reducing fraction is coming 3 upon 4. So E bit is matching with the third bit. So these are the matching fractions. Here I written A, second bit, B, fourth bit, C, first bit, D, fifth bit, and E, third bit. These are the matching, fraction matching. Next question. The next question is replace box. It means fill in the blank. Replace fill in the blanks in each of the following by the correct number. So we have to put a correct number in that box. Means fill in the blanks. Now here I will give you small clue. If smaller fraction is given and they are asking the bigger numbers or bigger fraction, it means you have to multiply. Okay dear, please once again pay attention. Smaller fraction is given, 2 upon 7 is a smaller fraction, 2 upon 7 is a smaller fraction, 2 upon 7 is a smaller number, and here he is asking 8 upon dash. So this 2 is smaller than 8. So here what you have to do in this way you have to multiply the number. Now which number you have to multiply? You have to check. Here is given 2, here is given 8, here is given 7, here is given fill in the blank, dash. So in 2 table 8 comes. When 8 comes in 2 table, 2 4s are 8. 4, 2 4s are 8, 4. The 4 number you have to multiply with this denominator. So 7 4s are 28. So here the number is what? 28. Here the number is what? 28. So 2 upon 7 became 8 upon 28. These both are the equivalent fraction. Smaller number is given and bigger number asking. So you have to multiply that. So how you have to multiply? You have to check whether numerators are given or denominators are given. If numerator is given, both the numerators are given. So in smaller numerator, in which table that number is coming, the same number you have to multiply with the denominator. So the answer comes to you. Here is given 2 upon 7. So the answer is 8 upon 28. Why 8 upon 28? Already this 8 is given in a numerator. So in 2 4s are 8. The same number 4 you have to multiply with the denominator. So 7 4s are 28. Understand? Here we multiply. We will go to the next. Again he is given 5 upon 8 and he is asking 10 upon dash. So 5 is smaller than the 10. In 5 table 10 but 10 comes. When 10 comes, 5 2s are 10. 2. So when you multiply here 5 2s are 10, same 2 you have to multiply here 8 2s are 16. 8 2s are 16. 5 upon 8 is the question. and our required answer is 10 upon 16. What we did in 5 table 10 comes, when 10s come 5 2s are, so 5 2s are, same number multiply here, 8 2s are 16. So 10 upon 16 is the requirement. Next question. 3 upon 5 is equal to dash upon 20. So denominators are given, both the denominators. Now in this denominator, 5 denominator 20 comes, in 5 table 20 comes. When the 20 comes, 5 4s are. Same 4 you have to multiply with the numerator. So 5 4s are 20, same 4 multiply with here numerator, so 3 4s are 12. So here 5 4s are 20, 3 4s are 12, so the required answer is 12 upon 20. Now next question. 45 upon 60 is equal to 15 upon dash. Now here what happened? Bigger numbers are given, asking the smaller numbers. So here you have to divide. Here you have to divide. When smaller numbers are given, bigger number we are finding. So you have to multiply, and bigger numbers are given, smaller we are finding. You have to divide. Please pay attention here. You have to more focus here. So 45 upon 60 is equal to 15 upon dash. So in both the numbers are given. Now divide these both the numbers. So the answer is what? When you divide 45 with the 15, you will get answer 3. You will get answer 3. So you will get answer 3. The same 3 you have to divide with the 60. 45 divided by 15, you will get answer 3. With the 3, you have to divide with this number. 60 divided by 3, 20. So the required number is 20. Here the bigger numbers are given, smaller numbers are asking. When bigger is given, smaller are asking. So you have to divide. So the question is 45 upon 60 is equal to 15 upon dash. 45 and 15. 45 is bigger, 15 is smaller. Smaller numbers asking. So 45 divided by 15, answer is coming 3. The 3 you have to divide with this denominator. So 60 divided by 3. So what comes when 60 divided by 3? 20. So the answer is 15 upon 20. Now we will see the next question. 18 upon 24 is equal to dash upon 4. Again the denominator is given 4, here is given 24. 24 is greater than the denominator is 4. So what you have to do? You have to divide 24 to 4. So when you divide 24 to 4, the answer is coming what? 6. The 6 you have to divide with this numerator. 6 is divided with the numerator. So 18 divided by 6, answer is 3. So the 3 upon 4 is the required answer. 3 upon 4 is the required answer. Because this 18 and 24 are bigger than this 4. So when bigger numbers are given, smaller numbers we have to find out. So that time you have to be divide. So first you have to denominator, both the numerators are given. Whatever is given, numerators are given, go with the numerators. Both the denominators are given, go with the denominators. Here both the denominators are given. So divide 24 to 4, you will get answer 6. The same 6 you have to divide with the 18. So 18 divided by 6, answer is 3 upon 4. Here we find what we find, equivalent fraction also we can say. So this is 2 upon 7 is equivalent to 8 upon 28. This is also equivalent fraction, and we are finding the fill in the blanks. 5 upon 8 and 10 upon 16, they both are equivalent fraction. Also we are finding the fill in the blanks. Okay dear, now we will go to the next question. Now the next question is find the equivalent fraction 3 upon 5 adding. Now the question is given this 3 upon 5. Now we have to find the equivalent fraction of 3 upon 5. 3 is numerator, 5 is denominator. The first bit is given denominator 20. So here the denominator is given 20. We have to find the numerator of this. Numerator of this. How do you find? Again same. Both the denominators are given here. So bigger denominator is given. It means you have to divide this both the number. You will get a 4. The 4 you have to multiply with this 3. 4 3 is 12. So 12 upon 20 of this answer. I will show. Answers are given below. Here I am saying orally. So 20 divided by 5. The answer is 4. 4 So 20, smaller numbers are given, this is bigger numbers. So sorry, smaller is given, we are finding bigger. Sorry. Smaller number is given, we are finding the bigger. So here 3 upon 5 is given, 20 is bigger in 5 table. When this 12 will become, 20 will become 5 4s are 20. 4 you have to multiply here, 3 4s are 12. So 12 upon 20 the answer of this question. Second is given numerator. Smaller are given, we are finding the bigger. So in 3 table numerator both the same, 3 3s are 9. So 5 3s are 15. Here the denominator is 15. Now here again finding the bigger number. 3 upon 5 is given. In 5 table 6, 30 will come. 5 6 are 6 multiply here. 3 6 are 18. 18 upon 30 here. Yeah, 18 upon 30 denominator is given. Numerator 27. Again this is smaller, this is bigger. 3 9 is 27. 9 multiplied by 5. 5 9s are 45. 5 9s are 45. So 27 upon 45. The answers we will see down. So you will understand that. See, the first question. The first question 3 upon 5 Here denominator is given 20. 5 4s are 20, 3 4s are 12. As I orally explained there. Now 3 5s are 9 is given. 3 3s are 9, 5 3s are 15. These are also equivalent fraction, and also we are finding the fill in the blank. And here is given 3 upon 5. 30 is given denominator. 5 6 are 30. 3 6 are 18. Now here 3 upon 5 the question. 27 is given. 3 9s are 27. 5 9s are 45. Same numbers you have to multiply. When smaller is given, we are finding the bigger, multiply. Biggers are given, we are finding the smaller, divide. Next question. Question number 5. Find the equivalent fraction of 36 upon 48. As we seen there 3 upon 5, here we are seeing 36 upon 48. So 36 upon 48, numerator 9. Bigger numbers are given, we are finding the smaller numbers. So you have to divide. 36 divided by 9. What answer will become? 4. 36 divided by 9, we will get answer 4. The same 4 you have to divide here. So 48 divided by 4, 12. So 36 upon 48, it became 9 upon 12. So this is also equivalent fraction. Next, numerator is over, now denominator is given 4. The required question is 36 upon 48. 36 upon 48, denominator is given 4. Again smaller number is given. We are finding the bigger numbers. So bigger numbers are given, we are finding the smaller numbers, vice versa. So 48 divided by 4, answer will become 12. 12 divided by this 36, answer is 3. 3 upon 4. Okay, now next question. The next question, check whether the given fractions are equivalent. These fractions are equivalent or not, you have to check. These fractions are equivalent, you have to check. Now here you can check by both the way. One is division method, one is multiplication method. Both the way you can check whether it is given fractions are equivalent or not. The first question is 5 upon 9 and 30 upon 54. 5 6 are 30 and 9 6 are 54. 5 6 are 30, 9 6 are 54. So both are coming in 6. So this is therefore 5 upon 9 and 30 upon 54 are equivalent. So you can say or this is we multiply this. Now you reduce this. Here if you reduce this 6 5s are 6 9s are 5 upon 9. If you reduce this 30 upon 54, what you will get? 6 5s are 30, 6 9s are 54, 5 upon 9. So 5 upon 9, 5 upon 9 is matching. This is division method. So here, therefore, these are the equivalent fraction. Second question, 3 upon 10 and 12 upon 50. So if you see in 3 table, 3 4s are 12, but 10 4s are 50. Is coming? No. So 10 4s are 50 not, 10 5s are 50. So here, these are not equivalent. If I reduce this reduce to 6 are to 25. 6 upon 25. This is not equivalent. So therefore it is not equivalent. Third question. 7 upon 13, 5 upon 11. They are not matching at all. They are not matching. They will not reduce. So directly you can say therefore these are not equivalent. We are going to the next question. Question number 7. Reduce the following fraction into simplest form. Simplest form means lowest form or standard form. 48 upon 60. 48 upon 60. They both will become in 12 table. 12 4s are 12 5s are directly. 12 4s are 12 5s are. You have to reduce. Second number 150 upon 60. So they both are coming in which table? Which table they will both come? So they both will become in 3 table also. 3 2s are 6. 0 0 cancel directly. 3 2s are 6, 3 5s are 5 upon 2. 0 0 cancel. 3 2s are 3 5s are 5 upon 2 is the answer. Next 84 upon 98. The both numbers they both will be coming which table? They both will be coming 14 table. They both will become 14 6 are 14 7s are 14 6 are 14 7s are. Next 12 upon 15. They both will be coming which table? They both will be coming 3 table. 4 table also they will come. Not 3 table, 4 table. 4 3s are 4 13s are. So 3 upon 13. Next question. Now Ramesh had 20 pencils, Shelu had 50 pencils and Jamal had 80 pencils. After 4 months, Ramesh used up to 10 pencils, Shelu used up to 25 pencils and Jamal used up to 40 pencils. What fraction did each up use? Check in each as used up the equal fraction or not. So here, if you see Ramesh, total pencils are 20, pencil used 10, so 10 upon 20, so 1 upon 2 fraction. 1 upon 2 fraction. Next, Shelu used total pencil 50, out of 50, 25 used. So 25 upon 50, 50 by downside because total will become always down. And whatever used that remains, that will become as a numerator denominator. Denominator means full. So here they have total pencil, 20 will become a denominator total. So 10 upon 20, 1 upon 2. So 50 pencils, 25 used, 25 upon 50, 1 upon 2. Next. And Jamal 80 pencils, 40 used, 40 upon 80, 1 upon 2, 1 upon 2, 1 upon 2, 1 upon 2. It means they all use equal number of pencil, equal fraction of pencil. Now next, last question. Last question, what we have to do? Match the equivalent fractions. This bit C given, we have to match it. Reduce this number. If you reduce this number, 250 upon 400. 250 upon 400 when you reduce, it will become, what it will become? It comes 0, 0 cancel. 5 5s are 5 8s are 5 upon 8. 5 upon 8. Next, 180 upon 200. 0, 0 cancel. 0, 0 cancel. 2 9s are 2 10s are 9 upon 10. 9 upon 10. Next question, 660. 660 upon 990, 0, 0 cancel. 11 6 are 11 9s are 11 6 are 11 9s are to 6 upon 9. Again it is going to 2 3s are 3 2s are 3 3s are. So 2 upon 3 is the fraction. 2 upon 3 is the fraction. 180 upon 360, 0 0 cancel. 18 1s are 18 2s are 1 upon 2, 1 upon 2 is the answer. 220 550, 0 0 cancel. 11 2s are 11 5s are 2 upon 5, 2 upon 5. So this was over. This was over today. The fraction chapter 7.3 we seen. It was little lengthy, means more questions were there. Please see the video very carefully. Try to understand the equivalent fraction. Fill in the blanks. If you not understand, replay the video. Please again repeating. Concentrate properly by seeing the video. If you not understand, once again repeat that much clip. You will definitely understand that what we learn here. Today itself, bye. Thank you.